Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, primary storage drive assembly, display panel assembly, hinge cover, display bezel, display panel, and left display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and adhesive that secure it to the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the webcam board. Remove the display panel cable. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel cable.